Hello. Today's video is about Lesandro Guzman Feliz. June 20th, 2018, 15-year-old Lesandro was murdered by a group of gang members from the Bronx. It's being identified as a mistaken identity case. 14 suspects, 5 have been arrested and convicted. I say it's being identified as a mistaken identity case because there's more to the story. Allegedly, rumor has it a female set him up. I won't be saying her name, but most people already know her name. All right, now let's roll the intro.
Just you and me, babe. Just you and me.
Wars on the watch.
Honey, how I feel sunlight on my bed. Honey, how I feel the water hit me in the back. Honey, I wanna feel sad. Honey, I wanna feel sad.
Okay, here we are. Hey, babe. I just want to jump right into this. I don't even know if everything's loud enough or not. Let's just do this. Hello? I sent this present. Vinay, Kanika. I'm reaching out to Lesandro Guzman Feliz. His departure date is coming up on the 20th, and I just want to see how he's doing. It's hard. Hello? Lesandro? Junior? Hi, babe. How are you? Good. I know I haven't spoke to you in a long time, but I knew you were having a hard time transitioning. I knew that was hard. We caught it. Do you remember the live? So, are you still with your mother?
Yes.
Good. Okay. It's all right.
Yes.
Is there anything you want to say to your mother?
No.
Go? Don't worry, I'll review it. You're welcome. I feel so sad. Did a female set you up? Do you know her name? I heard he's asleep, your son. Did somebody ask you to go to that store specifically? What's wrong, Kandis? Oh, Lesandro Jr., you are doing great. I'm in full chance. I'm not going to stay too long. But is there anything you want to tell about your side of the story on what happened to you?
Done.
Is Vinay teaching you everything, like all the ropes over there? Is Vinny helping the children? Yes, ma'am. Oh, that was a little baby. Junior, is there anything you could tell your mom to let her know that it's truly you? Is that her? That's it? I'm glad. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get going. I just wanted to check on you, baby. Your son. You want me to tell your mom? Do you want me to show your mother this session? Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, Vinny. Thank you, Kanika. You guys are the best. Thank you. Alright. Bye. Whoa. I feel like I was getting direct, straight, intelligent answers immediately. As soon as it came on, I felt like his presence, like I know him, like I just knew it was him. Oh, and then to get those exact answers, yes, her son, oh, I love them so much. I love you, babes, and thank you for watching.
Just you and me, babe. Just you and me.
Horse on the watch.